Good morning, welcome guys, welcome. All right, guys, let's plant up a garden right in our backyard. We have a small space, right? We have a small space right behind our house. We have a little area, and what we want to do, we want to grow some kind of plants or the other. Now, what we do now, we dig it up, we soften up the soil in many ways how we can, and what we do, we start planting. These are lettuce we plant in here, and these are celery. We have scallion, we have oregano, we have marigold, we have chocolate mint. Watch, these oregano was there since last year, and they come right back and they just start spreading wild. All right, so we have mint, we have thyme, we have sage, we have lettuce, we have cauliflower growing up down here. So right in this little space here, guys, just a little space, we have so much going on.